Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Wyze Cam settings after firmware updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Wyze Cam settings after a firmware update, begin by launching the Wyze app on your smartphone. Ensure that your Wyze Cam is powered on and connected to the Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the camera feed for the Wyze Cam you want to restore. Tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access camera settings. Scroll down to the firmware versions section to check if a recent update is available. If an update was recently completed, proceed to the next step. Look for the device settings option and select it. Then, locate and tap on Advanced Settings to access more options. In the Advanced Settings menu, find Restore Settings. When prompted, confirm that you wish to restore default settings for your camera. This process will reset all customized settings to factory defaults. Next, you'll need to reconfigure your camera preferences. Return to the main settings menu and set up the Wi-Fi connection again. Re-enter your Wi-Fi details to reconnect your Wyze Cam. Once back online, adjust the camera settings as per your preferences. Remember to revisit critical settings like motion detection and notification preferences. After making necessary adjustments, exit out of the settings menu. Your Wyze Cam is now ready to use with your restored settings. You can verify the changes by testing the camera functionality. Enjoy uninterrupted monitoring with your Wyze Cam. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.